I'm Bharat. Last year I got married to Priya. I was happy in my life, having a great time with my beautiful wife. And I never thought I had to tell my newlywed wife that I had testicular cancer. No, it just can't be true. Me and my wife, we wanted to start our own family, wanted to have our kids. And I was diagnosed with testicular cancer. Totally devastated. Confronted with this fear of being infertile. You can't even imagine how bad it is.
I had read somewhere that chemotherapy could affect a cancer patient's long-term fertility because it kills the healthy cells as well as the cancer ones. But that was not the main issue. The issue I was concerned about was his deteriorating health. He lost his appetite. His mouth was full of sores, and the condition was becoming worse day by day.
Somehow all this got over. But as if it was not enough, and the cancer hit back. And this time, I lost all my hopes. You may never want this to happen in your life, but at least the reports were showing that the cancer was spreading to different places in my body. I was not aware of this. I was not at all ready for this.
Chemotherapy was not helping him much, so I thought it was no longer appropriate to invest our time and money in the existing treatment only. And then I decided to go to Cancer Healer Center in India. After understanding the line of treatment, I got convinced that this is the best place where Bharat would get his quality of life back.
Now, this is a very unique case of Bharat. There were three things. A, he was undergoing chemotherapy and he was not able to tolerate it in spite of giving repeated chemotherapies. Second, cancer kept on coming back after being treated by chemotherapy, and probably it was a suppression or partial treatment with chemo. Third, the cancer was very aggressive and he had lost all hopes. It was a tough case for us, and that's how Cancer Healer Center has been treating cancer patients like that. Our treatment can go in parallel with chemotherapy and radiation. It does not matter how many chemotherapies the patient is undergoing. With our treatment, you can make sure and you can be rest assured there won't be any nausea, there won't be any vomiting, there won't be any weight loss. There would be no side effects that would come up, no falling of hemoglobin, no bone damage, no osteoradionecrosis, no TLCs going down. And that is what a cancer patient wants. He wants a great quality of life. Come what may the extent of diseases, come what may how aggressive the tumor is. He wants a great quality of life, and that's what we stand for.
I was surprised and encouraged too when I saw the first set of scans. The reports clearly indicated a reduction in the size of the lesion. Honestly telling you, I was just not sure about the treatment modalities, but it was my wife who convinced me to go for the treatment. Because of immunotherapy treatment, I was able to get this sense of well-being back. I was feeling stronger, physically and mentally as well. I was really amazed with the treatment and with the attitude of the whole team of the Cancer Healer Center. They never let you get depressed or sad, no matter what. So much of care, so much of positivity, and the spirit to fight. This is the attitude that I now carry forward for the rest of my life, and I wish to inculcate in my child too.
Treatment for cancer is also in this alternative mode of treatment. Treatment of cancer is again in cancer healer treatment, where cancer healer therapy stands with you, where cancer healer treatment shows you the results, and you start seeing the results within a span of a few days. Don't be depressed, don't be sad. Strong willpower, determination to fight, and correct treatment makes you win over cancer. And that's what Cancer Healer Center always stands for.